Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's look we're doing a sort of smoky eye with a little bit of a graphic liner. So starting off we're going to get these eyebrows on. I have just bought the new NYX Tame and Fame eyebrow pomade, and I'm also going to try the soap brows hack, which taking some pears soap. I only managed to find the green one, I couldn't find the orange one, so let's get to it with the soap brows. So what you want to do is take your spoolie brush, wet it or wet the soap just a tiny bit, and make sure all the hairs are brushed flat and upwards. I will show you that now. Now time to fill them in with the brow pomade. Right guys, so now the eyebrows are done, I am going to base the eyes. So taking the Plouise Rumour base 0.5. They do a black base which I may pick up soon, but as I don't have the black one, we're just going to base it with the Rumour 0.5 and then go in with the black shadow. Now I just set that in with the beauty blender. Now I'm going to be taking the James Charles palette and using the shade Spooky, which is the black shade just here. Now taking a nice clean brush, we are going to blend that out. Now just going to take a nice grey shade from the NYX Swear palette, which is this top corner one just here, just to blend a little bit more out on the black edge. So now guys, it's time for the graphic liner. I'm going to be using the High Vis by BarryM in this nice luminous green shade. Let's just see how it goes. I've never done graphic liner before, so we're just going to go with the flow. Let's just fast forward to the end of the eyes and see how we go. So I have kind of saved it. I have put lashes on, done underneath my waterline. I've also done my waterline a bit of a green colour. Put highlighter in the corner. I'm now going to do my foundation and hopefully it will be a lot better. So taking the NARS foundation, let's get this on. Time to powder down. Time for a bit of contour. And a bit of highlight, Revolution Strobe Flash. Right guys, so I have just put my hair in a bun with a couple bit of strands coming down, and I have curled them. I also did do my lips off camera, which I used the NYX Lingerie push up. But yeah, I kind of like it, I kind of don't, but we'll see if I redo. But yeah, this is the Smokey graphic liner. If you do like what you see, guys, please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also share me around, but please just subscribe, share, like, and much love, and I'll see you in the next video.